guys, there is a video about testing. um, there is what we're gonna be building, right? So as you can see, we have right here and this function. We just want to test it. So if you can see right now, if I go out right now and just type run test, okay, run test of this, so it's gonna run all the code. So let's see. So this one we just want to see if it's working. So that means that my code is working perfectly. Okay, it's working perfectly. Now, as a coder, as a front-end developer, or maybe even back-end developer, full stack, or as a developer generally, you need to know how to test your code. That is the one of the things that can make you get higher much faster. So that is very, very important. So we are going to be trying to do some lesson right here. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new file. So just a minute. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and create the new file. Before that, I'm going to just clear this right away so we can be able to start it all over. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and create a new file. Our new file is going to be, let's say, um, um, eating. Okay, anything you can put any type of name at all. Okay, you can just say cloth. Okay, cloth. So you're gonna put on this clothes just JS. Okay, just JS. So we just want to make a test of a file. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create my also file for the testing file. It is very important. So for you to create testing file, you need to name it the same name of your the same name. Okay, all what the difference is going to make is you just have to put in dot test dot js is very important, so you can use it to search a file. As you can say, VS Code is already give you the meaning of the this testing, and this is just the file js file. Now first of all, I will go ahead and just okay, just let us do this. Let's do the food, okay? Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and rename it. So it's gonna be food, okay? Food.js, food the js dot, okay, like that. Okay, I'm gonna name it food. We want to do like a daily food, that what you have to eat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like that. That is what we want to do. Now I'm gonna also rename the test. um let's see, right here it's gonna be food also. Okay, food food, okay, like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and write the code right here. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this. So first of all, I need to import and export this file. So I'm gonna name the function first of all. Okay, the function is gonna be, let's say, meal. Okay, for example, my meal. So it's gonna be const meal um, const meals um, to be. You can see that even the VS Code is giving everything. So it's gonna be const meal um, every day. Yeah. First of all, I would say we should try to write a comment. Comment is very, very important, so that any coder or any programmer that wants to check your file, they will know what you're doing. So you can just go ahead and let us see daily meal, for example, daily meal, daily meals. Okay, like that. So now, so we're gonna so they will know that that is what this is gonna be doing. That is what the your function will be working on. So while what is the function? What is the useful of your function? It is because this is gonna be your daily meal. It's gonna control how you eat every day. So this is just the basic. Just what I want to get, the goal today is just to show you how to test your code. Okay. Now then after that, you just have to, yeah, so you just have to do um so it's gonna be day, um your function let's see right here. Let's see right here. So it's gonna be if, let me see, they, if they, let me see right here 1 second. So it's gonna be if they, 1 second, if day is equal to Monday, for example. Okay, so if day is Monday, so we are going to do we are going to eat um so I want you to return um eat rice and chicken. So if it is on Monday, you want to eat rice and chicken. So that is what this function is going to tell us right now. So if it's today's Monday, you gotta have to eat rice and chicken. Let's see. Eat rice and chicken. And chicken. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna make it simple, so make it much faster so we can be able to actually enjoy. Then after that, then you have to make sure else else if um else if a day is let's see right here, let's say today is Tuesday, so is equal to Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, and it's gonna be I want it to return, I want it to return I want it to return eat let me say right here. Okay, let's say eat soup, for example. Let's say soup, bean soup. Let's say beans soup. Okay, like that. So then health health. Any other thing is gonna be invalid. Okay, let's do it like that. Health return. Let me see right here. Why this code is not working now? Okay, else invalid invalid day. Okay, like so that means that if you use this, it is not going to. If you are on Tuesday, on Monday you have to eat rice and beans, then it's gonna work. So on Tuesday you have to eat beans soup, for example. Then otherwise is not otherwise is gonna be the invalid. That is anything apart from what I just put now is going to be invalid. So that is what you want your code to do. So for you to make sure that this is what you wrote is working correctly, that is what we are going to do today. Then as we are using this kind of system, because Jest is something you need to use actually npm node or node for. You need to download node. You need to download a Jest. As you can see, you can go to Jest file right here. 1 second right here, just a minute. 1 second. If you do Jest, let's see. Okay, so this is just I'm going to share the link on the below after the video, so you can be able to go directly. So this you need to download this. You need to also download your node. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, just for you to be able to read this file. Now, so let's go back to our coding. Okay, this is what we're doing right now. So now I need to export this because I'm using a model. So to use a model, you need to export it. So export default meal. You need to export it so that if it's gonna work. If it doesn't export it, it is not going to work at all. So let's see what we got right here. 1 second. Yeah, so meal. Now, so you just have to, now we are going to write, let me see right here. We are going to write the code for testing right now. So the testing, we need to do the testing part. So we have to go to our file that say food dot test.js. So right here, we are going to write how to test our file. But you need to actually import your file, this file, you need to import it, this file, food.js, you need to import it. If it doesn't do that, it's not going to work. So we're going to import, um, we are going to import meal from from food. Okay, so we need to import meal from food. Now, so now, then we have to make sure that we have to write test this code, that is test for Monday, test for Monday. Let me see right here. 1 second. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to write a statement, so then so you can know, you have to know what I'm talking about. So this is gonna be, we're gonna test, this side will be testing the meal. So this is gonna be test for the daily meal. Um, daily meal. Okay. Now, so then I will go ahead and describe let me see, for example, describe um, daily meal, daily meals, write a function right there, daily meal e is gonna be like that. So now it's gonna say, let's for example, so it should be, normally we are gonna get a return, so it should be, it should return rice and chicken, for Monday. Okay, so we're gonna write, as you can see, the VS Code is giving everything. So it's gonna be, it should be rice and chicken. Show, it should return, 1 second right here. Yes, so it's gonna tell you, it should return, that is IT. What you see right here is a IT, right? But it's actually test. So you can either use IT or you can write test, any either or. So it's gonna work. So it should return rice, rice and beans, for example. It's because that's what you have to make sure that's what you put in your code. Okay. So it's gonna return rice and beans, and then you're gonna put our function right here. Okay, here we go. This is our function, the arrow function, then the stuff right there. Yeah, it's gonna be so now you're gonna expect meal Sunday, expect meal meals for Sunday, for Monday, for example. Sorry about that. So it'll be expect me for Monday. Um, will be equal to equal to equal eat rice and beans. Okay, for example, that is how it has to be, to equal eat rice and beans. Okay, so we need to put right there eat rice and beans, eat rice and beans. Oh, sorry, these are some beans. Okay, now so there is the first one. Okay, why am I getting this right now? Something is missing right here. So this one here, yeah, I saw it should expect rice and beans. Okay, now so for Tuesday, is gonna expect the meal for Tuesday, as you can see right here, is gonna be expecting the meal will be for Tuesday. We'll be expecting um, beans soup. Okay, bean soup, because I love bean soup actually. So we're gonna use that for example. So Tuesday is gonna be um, beans soup. Okay, it's gonna be equal to equal bean soup. Okay, to equal bean soup. So let's go right here. 1 second. Yeah, eat bean soup. Bean soup. Bean soup. Yeah, like that. So I need to make sure I write exactly the way I write it the other side. And the last part will be um, so expect um, meal otherwise. So that is so meals. So in case the meals, in case the meal, 1 second, meals is empty, so it's gonna be invalid. Okay, so in case the meal is empty, if the meal is empty, so it's gonna be equal to invalid. In case you do not put nothing, nothing is there, it's gonna to be equal to invalid. So equal invalid, invalid, like that, invalid day. Okay, so let's see what we got. Yeah, so and so then now expect meals. So we expect meals. So it's gonna be an empty string. So to equal to invalid day. Now so now this is our code right now. You need to make sure that it's actually running fine. Now so we are going to run test our code right now. So just to make sure it's working very fine. So make sure that all what you have right here is actually also the sum what you write here, so you need to be expecting each other. Now so we are going to run the test right now, so it's going to be um, so it's going to be npm run test dot food the test. So we want to run this file, just this file. We want to run this file, so now we're going to go ahead and run. Make sure just don't run the file. Okay, so now let's see. Now I want to go past. So just for example, if I just want to change a word right here, to make let's say instead of putting invalid day, and I put a valid day, just to make sure to make an error. So let's see right here. Let's save it and let us run it again to see if it's gonna give an error. Just to make sure we just testing our file. So right here, you can see right here. Okay, it throw an error. So what is an error? What is our error here? Our error is that we did not put, we're supposed to receive invalid day, and we expect invalid, so it's wrong. So we need to put right here day, invalid day right there. So next, let's go and run it again to see if it's gonna work. 1 second right here. Let's run our file again. So perfect. Okay, you can see it's still not working. So I need to actually save it actually. So go ahead and save all. Then I'll run it again. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, okay, perfect. So it's working right here. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for any update. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.